Hey Earl, you are really good at that wellbox. Yeah.
Our world is not the world. Applejack.
What was that? Dan, well, let's go to the park now. It's fun, right? I really wish I could breathe a wellbox. Well, let's go now.
Striking his stupid arrow friend is so dumb. Oh my gosh, wow. Wow. Well, it seems like I'm gonna have to do some plan to destroy the world without them knowing. I know. They're so smart, they think they're so smart, but they're dead. When I find them, I'm gonna kill them, I'm gonna destroy the world, I'm gonna ruin all popular shows. No one's gonna stop me.
I keep hearing sounds. I think I hear my name and your name too. Crap.
I'm gonna have to plan my thing.
I hear laughing too. I think this is Zeus.
I can never find my plan. What? I keep thinking about my plan. I think I'll have to bring some people with me. Maybe one person. I know who I should bring. I don't know if he's gonna help me, but I keep thinking about this plan too much.
The heck, I think we need to find out this noise.